Hello, the topic of today's lesson is to review everything we've learned so far from the beginning of the school year. This is Singapore Math, Grade 5, Textbook 5A, Review 2. The Review 2 starts on page 54. I will not go through order of operations, missing numbers. What I would like to do first is land on page 56, right here. I'm on page 56, and I would like to start with problem number 17. Let me put a box over it. I hope I can put a nice box over it so we can focus on this problem. Very nice box. I'm very happy about my box. I like how it all came out. Friends, let me read the problem number 17. A number, when divided by 32, has a quotient of 8 with 3 as the remainder. Find the missing number. Again, the number when divided by 32 has a quotient of 8 and 3 as a remainder. My friends, I call these problems, they're algebra problems, and what I say we should do, the strategy, is to translate English into the language of math. So let's go. A number when divided by 32. Well, let's write it down. Some missing number n, when it's divided by 32, it gives a quotient of 8. Yes, that's how we translate it. Some number divided by 32 gives a quotient of 8 and remainder of 3. My friends, I can write it a different way. I can write a lowercase n divided by 32 gives you 8 as a quotient and remainder of 3. I can also put that Singapore Math textbook orange box. Divided by 32 gives you 8 as a quotient with the remainder of 3. No matter which way I go about it, whether I put a box, I put a letter, lowercase or capital case, we know it's the dividend. It's the first number in division sentence that we do need to find. Well, I hope you remember that in order to find the dividend, we have to do inverse operation, go with opposite operation. Let's multiply quotient times divisor. So 32 times 8, mental math whenever possible. Let me do this way. 32 can be split into 30 and 2, and let's multiply each of these parts by 8. 30 times 8 equals 240. 2 times 8 is 16. Let's add the partial products. 240 plus 16 is 256. But we're not done. There was a remainder. After that number was divided, and we need to add the remainder. So the missing number is 259. And of course, you can do your work. Divide 259 by 32, and you should be getting 8 as a quotient and remainder of 3. I hope you understand this problem. Again, the solution strategy here is to translate into algebra, translate English into math. We will be using the strategy quite often in the future.